I'll show you how to deposit USDT into your Trust wallet. The first thing we need to do is add USDT into the wallet so that we can get the deposit address. But USDT exists on many different blockchains, and so it will actually have many different deposit addresses within your wallet. It depends which blockchain that you want the USDT on. Do you want it on BNB chain? Do you want it on Tron? Do you want it on Ethereum? Do you want it on Base? All of those may have different wallet addresses. So what we need to do firstly, go down to the bottom where it says Manage Crypto. Then we need to search for USDT, and we need to add the USDT on the blockchain that we want to receive it on and keep it on. So if I search for USDT here, you'll see there are many different versions. You can search the networks here. So if you know that you want USDT on Ethereum, it should come up at the top here, USDT Ethereum, you can click that on. I'm going to go and search for USDT on Tron as well. That's this one here at the top, so I'll click that on. And maybe we can search for a different version. So USDT on a different chain, for example, Solana, I'll click that one on as well. So we're actually wrapped USDT on Solana. Now we go back into the main page. Down at the bottom, you can see these are displayed as different tokens. That's because they're on different blockchains. Which blockchain are you receiving it on? Well, that depends on whichever USDT that you want to use. Do you want the USDT on Tron? Do you want it on Ethereum or Solana or any other blockchain? So you can choose that. Who is sending it to you? Are you sending it to yourself from a centralized exchange? Well, then it's up to you to choose the network that you're using. Is someone else sending you the USDT? Well, you should ask them, where are you sending it from? Which blockchain are you using? Because they'll be using that blockchain and you need to give them the receive address or the deposit address on that blockchain as well. So what I'm going to do is show you how to get your receive address. Up at the top here, this is the USDT that I've got on BNB Smart Chain, and I'm going to click that. And then from here, you can see I've got a balance. Now I want to press receive, so I'll click that, and that's my receive address. This is my address that I can share with anyone else that wants to send me USDT on the BNB Smart Chain. They can scan a QR code, and I've got the long form address here as well that I can copy. And we can send in USDT to this address, and USDT will come into my wallet, and it will come on the BNB Smart Chain. I'll show you also, if we go back, USDT on Tron. I'll click that, I'll click receive. This is a completely different address. And so if someone sends USDT to me on this address, it's going to go to the Tron network, not the BNB Smart Chain that you just saw. Now, if you're sending USDT to yourself in Trust Wallet as well, just make sure that the chain that you're using, you can pay for gas fees on that chain. For example, USDT up here on the BNB Smart Chain, once that's in my wallet, I can't do anything else with it. I can't send it back out or anything else unless I pay gas fees to actually send that transaction. And on BNB Smart Chain, I pay for gas fees with BNB. So I've got some BNB coin, as you can see at the top. If you have USDT on Tron, then as you can see up here, it says TRX. You need some TRX as well to pay for gas fees if you want to send USDT on Tron. Now, some of these blockchains are starting to actually take away the gas fee, or at least let you pay the gas fee in USDT itself. If that's available for you, then you won't need the gas coin of the chain that you're using. But if you've got USDT on your wallet and you can't do anything with it and it won't let you send it out, it's because you don't have any of the gas coin on the network that you're using. So choose the network that you want to receive USDT on, go to receive, get the wallet address, and then you can easily send USDT to your wallet. I'll show you a sample transaction of getting USDT into your wallet. I've got my USDT wallet address here. I'm going to copy that. Then what I'm going to do is go over to my centralized exchange and send out some of the USDT. So I'll go over to my Binance. I've got USDT here. If you don't know how to use centralized exchanges or get USDT on a centralized exchange, I'll leave some videos below on that. I've got deposit and trading bonuses for Binance, Bybit, OKX, and many other exchanges. I'll leave them all below if you want some bonuses when you sign up to those exchanges as well. But from here, I'm going to press withdraw, send via crypto network. Every single exchange is the same. You want to withdraw the asset, send via crypto network. I'm going to paste in the address here. That's my address for the Trust wallet on the BNB Smart Chain. Now you can see the network here. Which network am I using? I know that I want to receive that USDT on the BNB Smart Chain. So up at the top, I'm going to click BNB Smart Chain. Then I'm going to choose how much I want to withdraw and then press withdraw at the bottom right. That will withdraw the USDT, and it's just going to the address of my Trust wallet, which I copied. And I know it's going on the BNB Smart Chain because I'm sending it from BNB Smart Chain from Binance, and that's my BNB Smart Chain address.